equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of changing the trigger on your Rowenta vacuum cleaner. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep all your parts organized. Begin by unplugging your vacuum cleaner to ensure safety. Next, locate the screws that hold the trigger assembly in place. Typically, there are 2 screws on the back of the handle. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the trigger assembly away from the handle. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it loose if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Now, take a moment to clean the internal area of the handle. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, affecting the performance of your vacuum. Use a soft cloth or a small brush to clean out any dirt. This is a great opportunity to ensure your vacuum is in top condition. With the area clean, it's time to install the new trigger. Align the new trigger with the assembly and push it into place. Make sure it fits snugly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Next, replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws or damage the plastic. After securing the trigger, test it by pressing it a few times to ensure it operates smoothly. If everything feels right, you're almost done. However, if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. Finally, plug your vacuum back in and give it a test run. Check that the trigger responds correctly and that the vacuum is functioning as expected. If you find that the vacuum still isn't performing well, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the trigger on your Rowenta vacuum cleaner. If you need further assistance, our services include no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get help without the hassle. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your clean home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.